some important words that drive me today, and I thought I'll share them with you, and I mean them actually. One of them is passion. It's very important for everyone to have that passion, and because that moves mountains, uh, and openly we have to display the passion. Create a cause, not a business. Second word is revolution. We have to think nothing less than revolution. We have to be everyone, who's in that line. You have to be weird. I have done it many times and I've realized it works. Uh, we have to be good with technology. Anyone thinking about, even as a social activist, the kind of things I've been able to pull off alone is only because I knew technology. Uh, there's nothing permanent. You have to continuously change. Uh, uh, it's tough. Forgetting is tough. Uh, Forgetting a corporate career was tough for me. Forgetting the good life was tough for me, and I realized that's also a key. Forgetting is always important. You have to be whatever, because it's you have to be cool to in whatever you're doing. Uh, you have to have heroes. Everyone has. It's important to screw up things once in a while. It's actually very important. It's not. Uh, be very clear of what you're selling. Even as I'm trying to bring in social change. It has become a challenge for me many times to convince people what is the solution that we're looking at and what is it that I'm wanting at the end of it. Branding, it's brand you. It's like you have to brand yourself as an individual. Words matter. Very important. The communication matters. Uh, um, these matter because many things that I do now are controlled by media. I use media to very effectively to get a few things done by the policymakers. Yes, you have to be having a dream. You have to brand yourself. Calendar, these very basic things, and sales.